Hello there and welcome to tonight's video. We're on our way to the Vijit Chao Phraya festival, and this takes place on the bank of the Chao Phraya River, and they're going to be having a huge drone show. There's going to be 1,000 drones. Tonight is the biggest one, and over the course of November and December this year they're going to be having loads of drone shows, different kind of places, different numbers of drones each time. But this is going to be the biggest tonight, so let's check this one out. Okay guys, we are right at the flower market now. This is very close to where the light show kicks off, so if you are coming here, this is a nice place to get dropped here. The light show's just over there on the river, 5 minutes walk from here. So I'm going to show you a lot of places around here where you can watch the light show from. So I'm just at Phra Pok here now. So this is where the drone show is going to take place. This one's called Memorial Bridge. Now, what you want to do if you're here is you want to be on this side of the bridge, because the show will be facing kind of over this way here. If you're on the other side, you'll just see everything from the back. So what we're looking at, we think one of the best places is we're going to head over here to Phra Pok Klao Bridge, because you can see up there, they've got like a viewing platform. So I think this could be the best place to see it. But I'll be honest with you, I've only watched it out of my window, so I can't say to you what it's going to be like, this one, and each one's different. This is the biggest one. We watched the other one, 500 drones before, and it looks like everything's like angled out that way. So don't wait down the other side. We'll be all right, it'll still be a nice show, but you're just watching it from the back. Now, also, there's a lot of people camped on Memorial Bridge, like ready for it. And personally, I think it might be a little bit too close. So we're going to try this one up here, see how that goes. So we decided to change our mind and we've come onto the main bridge itself, because we did look over there and we thought a little bit far away. So hopefully we can get a good spot here. But it's pretty busy at the moment, obviously. We're about half an hour out before it starts. So guys, if you want a really good spot, you want to be coming up at least an hour or so before, because it's quite busy now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vijit Chao Phraya.
Oh, I can't believe it there, like, that's funny, isn't it? Okay guys, so that was the drone show. Pretty interesting really. Where we set up, we thought we were going to have a really good view. We were on the west side of Memorial Bridge. I put a map up on the screen, so don't go there because you're on like the wrong side. The drone show actually takes place between the two bridges in the middle there. So I'll put on the screen some spots where you'll get a good view. This is where we ended up watching it. Dead center, perfect view. You can watch from the Phra Pok Klao Bridge too, but you'll be seeing everything from the back. It's less crowded and more relaxed, but yeah, it's still the back angle. Another great spot is down by the pier where I was at the start of the video. That's where the drones launch from. So you'll get them flying right over your head. The angle's a bit off to the side, but it still looks amazing and you'll get a great view of the whole shore. Particularly the drones going there and coming back, which is a very interesting angle, I think. Because what happened where we were, they had like fencing behind us, directly behind us. So it was really obscuring the drone show. We couldn't have watched it. So what we did, we were quite lucky because there's a big gap in the bridge. So we kind of cut through there and dodged to the other side just before everyone else did. And we got right to the front. Really good setup. Busy though, guys. I suggest if you're wanting a really good spot, get down early. But it's on. I'll also put all the dates up on the screen so you'll be able to see. So you'll be able to see November, December dates. So there's many times a week, but they're quite different. Some are 500, some are 1,000 drones, and they're different places on the river. So I'll put the schedule up on the screen for you. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.